Exercise isn't just about burning calories. It's about celebrating what your body can do. When paired with a balanced diet, movement becomes a powerful tool to boost energy, improve mood, and accelerate results. In this video, we'll explore how finding joy in your workouts can complement your nutrition, enhance fat loss, and create a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. Subscribe for more practical fitness tips, diet strategies, and ways to make movement fun and effective. Losing weight and staying healthy isn't just about what you eat. It's also about how you move. Exercise and nutrition are two sides of the same coin, working together to shape your body, boost energy, and improve overall well-being. While dieting can control calorie intake and provide essential nutrients, movement accelerates metabolism, enhances muscle tone, and strengthens the heart and lungs. More than just a physical act, exercise can also uplift your mood, relieve stress, and cultivate a positive relationship with your body. Finding joy in movement ensures that fitness isn't a chore, but a lifestyle that complements your diet and supports lasting health. Here are 10 ways exercise works hand in hand with nutrition to transform your body and mind. Point 10. Exercise amplifies calorie burn and dietary effects. While diet primarily controls calorie intake, exercise increases the calories your body expends. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or even bodyweight exercises help create a caloric deficit essential for fat loss. For example, a 30-minute moderate-intensity walk can burn around 150 to 200 calories, while a 45-minute strength training session can burn 250 to 350 calories and stimulate post-exercise metabolism. By pairing exercise with mindful nutrition, the same foods you eat have a greater impact on shaping your body, ensuring that weight loss comes primarily from fat rather than lean tissue. Point 9. Preserves and builds lean muscle mass. One of the risks of dieting without exercise is the loss of lean muscle. Muscles are metabolically active, meaning they burn calories even at rest. Strength training, resistance bands, or bodyweight exercises protect existing muscle while promoting growth, which in turn increases your resting metabolic rate. For instance, combining a protein-rich diet with resistance training supports muscle repair and hypertrophy. Maintaining and building muscle not only helps your body look toned, but also ensures that the calories you consume are efficiently used, enhancing long-term fat loss. Point 8. Improves nutrient absorption and utilization. Exercise enhances blood circulation, which helps deliver nutrients from your meals to tissues more effectively. Vitamins, minerals, and amino acids are transported efficiently to muscles, organs, and cells, optimizing energy production, recovery, and overall function. Eating protein after a strength workout supports muscle repair, while carbohydrates replenish glycogen stores for energy. Even micronutrients like iron, magnesium, and B vitamins work better when the body is active, making diet and movement a synergistic team rather than separate strategies. Point 7. Regulates appetite and reduces cravings. Physical activity has a profound effect on appetite-regulating hormones like ghrelin and leptin. Consistent exercise can reduce unhealthy cravings and emotional eating by stabilizing blood sugar levels and balancing hunger signals. For example, a 20-minute brisk walk after a meal can reduce the urge to snack unnecessarily. Paired with a balanced diet rich in whole foods, fiber, and lean protein, exercise helps you make conscious food choices rather than succumbing to impulsive cravings. This connection creates harmony between eating and moving rather than a struggle of restriction versus indulgence. Point 6. Enhances metabolism and promotes fat oxidation. Exercise stimulates both immediate calorie burn and long-term metabolic benefits. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, and strength workouts increase resting metabolic rate for hours or even days post-exercise, meaning your body continues to burn calories even while at rest. Cardio exercises like jogging, cycling, or swimming enhance fat oxidation, while resistance training builds muscle that further increases metabolism. When combined with a balanced diet, these effects accelerate fat loss, improve body composition, and make weight management more sustainable. Point 5. Boosts mood, reduces stress, and improves mental health. Movement triggers the release of endorphins, dopamine, and serotonin, chemicals that elevate mood and reduce stress. High cortisol levels from chronic stress can promote fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area, and trigger emotional eating. Activities like yoga, dancing, running, or even outdoor walks release tension while improving focus and mental clarity. When combined with mindful eating, exercise helps break cycles of stress-related snacking, creating a mental and physical environment that supports weight management and emotional well-being. Point 4. Strengthens the heart, lungs, and circulatory system. Exercise improves cardiovascular function by increasing heart efficiency, reducing blood pressure, and improving blood lipid profiles. Aerobic activities like swimming, running, cycling, and rowing strengthen the heart and lungs, enhancing oxygen delivery throughout the body. When paired with a diet rich in antioxidants, whole grains, and heart-healthy fats, regular exercise dramatically reduces the risk of heart disease, stroke, and metabolic disorders, while supporting energy levels for daily activities. Point 3. Encourages sustainable habits through enjoyable movement. The most effective exercise isn't always the most intense. It's the one you enjoy and can do consistently. Walking, dancing, hiking, martial arts, or swimming can all become part of a long-term routine. By pairing enjoyable movement with a balanced diet, you reinforce healthy habits rather than viewing them as punishment. Enjoyment and consistency are the keys to lifestyle transformation. The more fun exercise is, the more likely you are to stick with it and integrate healthy eating seamlessly. Point 2. Supports recovery and optimizes energy levels. Exercise improves circulation and nutrient delivery, enhancing muscle recovery after workouts. When combined with a diet that includes sufficient protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats, your body can repair tissues, replenish energy stores, and maintain vitality throughout the day. For example, post-workout smoothies with protein and fruit not only hydrate but also repair muscles and provide energy, illustrating how diet and movement work hand in hand to keep your body energized and resilient. Point 1. Fosters a positive relationship with your body. The ultimate benefit of combining exercise with diet is cultivating a positive connection with your body. Movement becomes a celebration of your capabilities rather than punishment for eating, while nutrition supports that physical performance and overall well-being. Strength training, yoga, running, or playful activities like dancing empower you to appreciate what your body can do. Paired with mindful eating, this approach fosters confidence, body awareness, and mental resilience. Over time, fitness and nutrition are no longer restrictive tasks but empowering tools for creating a healthier, more joyful lifestyle. And that's the beauty of combining exercise with a balanced diet. Each movement reinforces your health, vitality, and happiness. If this video inspired you to move with purpose, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more guidance on fitness, nutrition, and building a lifestyle you love. Keep moving, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey to a stronger, healthier you.